So let's continue with our blogger tutorial. We have seen how to create a blog from scratch and get monetized by AdSense and AdSterra. We have also done a few SEO tricks and tips. If you have not seen that video, just check in this channel. So today, I want us to fix blogger pagination. So this is to help us avoid duplicate content issue. Remember, when you're doing SEO, you want to get maximum traffic. Pagination in Blogger can cause SEO issues due to duplicate content, since Blogger automatically paginates posts using timestamp. If you have never seen that, it uses a timestamp instead of page numbers. Like if I scroll down here and I want to load more posts, notice the URL that is here at the bottom. At the end it has search question mark update marks, then the date, then head max result equals now the number of posts. So that's what we are calling pagination issue. Search engine may get confused when indexing your content. So when Blogger automatically paginates posts using timestamp, then search engine may get confused when indexing your content. And I think this is one of the major issues that is faced by the Blogger blogs. Blogger, the templates they are developed by that party. They are developed by that party who may or may not have knowledge on how Blogger works. So this issue, you may not find it in WordPress. It's there on Blogger blogs. So if I click on load more posts, we are on the home page. It has loaded page 2, but look at the URL at the top. These are advertisement. My blog is already monetized. So if you click on load more posts, you notice the URL at the top. And if I continue going to the next page, notice it doesn't have page numbers. It is limiting my blog post within the data. So Blogger does not use fixed page numbers, as you notice at the top, like page 1, page 2. Instead, it generates URL based on timestamp. This may confuse search engines and may prevent indexing your content. So today we learn how to resolve that, to make sure your blog is well paginated and search engine is able to index your pages. So what is the problem now with blogger pagination? So we look at the search engine optimization problems with blogger pagination. One of them is duplicate content issues. So multiple paginated pages show similar or overlapping content, like post exacts. Then the second issue is crawling and indexing problem. Search engine may index paginated pages instead of main content pages. And you want search engine to index the content that you're creating within the blog post, not the blog posts themselves. Then there is a diluted link equity. Page authority gets split across multiple URLs, reducing search engine ranking power. Then the fourth problem is broken internal links. If a post is deleted, then the older paginated URLs may have missing content or broken links. And remember, this is a major issue that may affect your blog. So then how do we fix blogger pagination search engine issues? One of them is to add canonical tag, which prevents the duplicate content. In most cases, you find the developer for that theme has already done that for you. So what canonical tag tells search engine? A canonical tag tells search engine that paginated pages are part of the main blog page, preventing duplicate content issue. So then how do you add a canonical tag in Blogger? So you go to Blogger dashboard, you go to theme. So theme menu, then the customize, you click edit HTML. Then in the head section, this is where we need to find. Let's first confirm that we don't have that we have that tag. So you type canonical. I'm searching at the top canonical. So if you search, you notice it's there even on the HTML content. So we need the one on the head. So you can either add, so inside the head section, this is where we add canonical tag, but notice with your URL, and notice it's already added. So it will depend on the blog theme you're using. Some may put, some may fail to put. So then how do you add it? You just use opening bracket, angle bracket, then link space rel equals single quote, double quote, then canonical, closing double quote. Then you need to add reference, that is href, to your blog equals double quote. Then we need our blog URL, copy, then come and paste, then you close that tag, then close our angle bracket. It's that simple. So I'll leave link to my blog post where you can get this code. I will also leave it in the description of this video. So make sure you replace your blog.com with the actual blog URL. So this ensures all paginated pages points back to the main page, main blog page, and search engine is able to index your blog post. So we save, and any action you do, make sure you back up your blog before making any changes. So let's refresh. You won't notice any changes. So if we refresh that blog, we scroll down, you notice the URL still have the timestamp, but we have already added canonical tag, which prevents duplicate content issue. So the second thing to do is block paginated pages from Google indexing. Remember, you have prevented duplicate content. Now we want to block paginated pages from Google indexing. Since blog automatically generates pagination URL, that is search update -marks equals like this one here. This is what is called pagination URL, whatever I've highlighted there, from search all the way to marks equals. They may get indexed by Google. You should block these pages using robots.txt file. So again, blog automatically generates pagination URL, and these URLs may get indexed by Google. So you need to block them using robots.txt file. So we go back to Blogger, we go to dashboard, we go to settings, we go to where there is robots.txt file, where we enabled custom robots.txt. When we did a Blogger setup, we added this file here. You may wonder what we are doing with this file. Very important. It helps in blocking paginated pages from indexing. Yeah? So let's learn how to no index paginated pages in Blogger. So we have gone to crawlers and indexing under settings. Then under custom robots.txt, if you have not added the code, I'll leave it in the description of this video. You just copy paste, then you change the sitemap URL to your blog. This part disallow /search. It discourages Google from indexing paginated pages. Remember, the paginated pages we have said they start with search question mark update marks equals now the timestamp. So you are blocking Google from indexing these results. So it prevents Google from indexing paginated pages. Search engine will only focus on original blog posts. So it will now rank your original blog post and not the extracts for the post. So that helps you in search engine optimization. So remember to put that code and make sure it is well formatted. Remember to change my blogger URL to your blogger, where I will leave XXX in the sitemap. Replace that with your blogger URL. I did this in the introduction video for blogging, so be sure to check that video. Then the fourth way is use proper internal linking. This is the most important. Remember when we did on-page SEO, we said you link related blog post. Like if this blog post is related to the above, I only need to open that blog post, copy the URL, then come in hyperlink to a text here which is related. So instead of relying only on blogger pagination, you manually link related articles within your blog. It improves crawling, indexing, and user experience, so that your users will not need to keep on searching within your blog. They can easily access old content by linking it to the new content. So final SEO fixes for blogger pagination. 1, we have seen canonical tags to prevent duplicate content. No indexing for paginated pages, you stop unnecessary indexing. Proper pagination links helps Google understand structure. Internal linking strategy improves crawlability and engagement. Apart from on-page SEO, where you are linking related blogs, the rest you find the blogger template you're using is already enabled for in the theme. So you may not need to edit your theme. If you're using customized theme, you only need to confirm that those tags are there. Canonical tags and proper pagination links, you may find they are there. If your blog, you scroll down and you find their page numbers, that's where you need now to do proper pagination, using what I've just described in the previous hint, where you're improving pagination links. Otherwise, the only thing you need to do, and this is done at the robots.txt file, is to add no index. You prevent Google from indexing search pages, and I've shown you how to do that. So in conclusion, blog automatically paginates posts using timestamp, but this can cause SEO problems like duplicate content and ranking the illusion, especially if you're downloading free themes. You may find it is not complete. It's not SEO friendly, so you may need to do those changes. I'll leave full code that you need to search and make some adjustment. So fix your blogger pagination today to help in SEO. by adding canonical tags that avoids duplicate content, block pagination pages from indexing using robots.txt, improve pagination structures using reference to the previous and next pages so that search engine knows your previous page and next page, and use internal linking to boost SEO and user engagement. So implement these fixes today and boost your blogger SEO. In the next one, we'll be doing detailed. We'll be doing fixing broken links on Blogger. So you first use online checker tools to check for errors. You don't want your readers to open, then they get an error or the page is not found. So you need to fix that. So you fix that. Once we fix that, then the next video we'll do ad placement and optimization for higher earnings. And there are many other things we'll be doing. These are advanced blogger tutorials, and on this channel I'm also training how to make money with other ways like TikTok, YouTube, and many other ways, and we do detailed like we are doing with Blogger. And also on my blog I'm also posting blog articles, and also look out for ebook. I'll be doing a full ebook for Blogger, which I'll be sharing on my blog. I'm also starting online classes. I've started with Telegram and WhatsApp. Be sure to check a link to my channel, that is a WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. I'll also be going live now once I'm done with advanced blogger tutorials, where now I'll show you full steps where we create a new blog. I already have 3 more blogs which have been approved by AdSense, and I'm creating more. Then after that, I will also be doing, I'm not sure whether to do it before the other 2 blogs, because you need to have a business plan for your blog that will guide you on what you want to do with the blog. Never start a blog for fun. Be sure to have a business plan so that you have a guide on what you'll be doing daily, including content calendar and even targets for your earnings. So let's meet in the next one. Remember to subscribe and like. Also share with your friends. They also learn how to make money online.